Welcome to today's episode, guys. I'm Maryam, and in this video we're going to explore how to shift your mindset after narcissistic abuse. Shifting your mindset can be quite challenging because of the profound impact of narcissistic gaslighting. You see, narcissistic gaslighting can deeply affect our ability to trust. And when it comes to shifting our mindset, the first step is to be able to trust ourselves and others. Trust. You see, narcissistic gaslighting systematically undermines our ability to trust. Again, trusting ourselves and others, because we were subjected to manipulation and the distortion of our reality. So constantly and on an ongoing basis, we had our reality twisted. That was my situation, my upbringing with my borderline and narcissistic mother, plus all the narcissists that I attracted along the way. You see, when it comes to shifting our mindset, we want to learn to trust again. So the number one step is to be able to trust. How do we trust? By going within, by listening to your inner voices. The guidance that is built within you. Again, that was my situation. I had to learn to raise my vibrational frequency to get in touch with that inner knowing. And that inner knowing helped me recover from the impact of gaslighting. Gaslighting was the barrier which wasn't allowing me to shift my mindset. I kept perceiving myself as a victim. I kept blaming my mother and all the narcissists that I attracted along the way, until one day I got in touch with that inner knowing, that voice. You're gonna quiet your mind. You're gonna go within, and that is how you recognize that inner knowing. And from there, you'll find yourself capable of tuning into trust, because trust is built within you. It's not outside of you. Just gonna go within and tap into that knowing. Listen. It's very profound. You're just gonna tune in. Tune in. That knowing loves you. That knowing recognizes you. That is the first step toward shifting your mindset. Gaslighting doesn't identify you. Narcissistic abuse doesn't identify you. Who you are is a powerful creator that has the ability to go forward and to embrace the journey called life. Hopefully you guys find this video helpful. Take a moment to ground yourself, to realize your greatness. Keep shining your light. Look after your precious soul. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.